Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. And so now we are doing paper 9709, paper 13, variant 13 of May, June 2025. So let's begin with question number 3. Question 3 says, given that integral with limits 1 to 3 of a over 4x minus 3 whole square plus 2 dx is equals to 12. Find the value of constant a. So that is just a simple integration question. So let's begin. From 1 to 3. Okay. First, we have to integrate this. And we know to integrate this, it is not in the correct format because the term or the expression of x is in the denominator. So first we have to shift that into the numerator. And as I discussed in the previous question also, that if anything is in the denominator for differentiation or integration with the power, so when we shifted it into the power into the numerator, the sign of the power changes. So 4x minus 3 in the denominator was power 2. Now it will be minus 2 plus 2 whole integral dx equals 12. So now integrated. Okay, one more thing. We cannot integrate any expression unless we have the derivative of it multiplied with it. So the derivative of this expression 4x minus 3 is 4. So we are supposed to multiply and divide with 4 so that we have the 4 multiplied with this expression so that we can integrate it. So I'm doing the same. What we should be doing is write it in the correct format. That must be this way, like a over 4, taking it outside, then 4 times 4x minus 3 to the power minus 2. Now this is just a constant term, it will stay as it is outside the integral maybe, and plus 2 dx equals to 12. This is your whole. Now, so integrate the first term. A over 4 is a constant, so it will stay outside. Then this whole will vanish, and we will get the power plus 1 over, like if you have x to the power n, the integral of x to the power n would be x n plus 1 over n plus 1, and the derivative that is multiplied with it, that is 1 in this case and 4 in this case, that just disappears after integration. So we are left with this. So it comes out to be 4x minus 3 whole power minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1 plus the derivative integral of 2 would be 2x. Okay, integral of any constant number is the variable x. Like if it is going to be 2, integral of 2, it will be 2x and so on. So integral of 2 here, so 2x, and we'll not add the constant of integration as we are integrating with limits. So equals to 12. I don't think so it is needed, so I'm just removing this all. Now, simplifying this further, a over 4x minus 3 to the power minus 1 over minus 1 plus 2x. Okay, 1, 2, 3 equals 12. I guess we should be doing one more step. That gives you minus a over 4 or minus a over 4 times, because this is power minus 1. So whenever we change its place, numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator, the sign of the power changes. So as it is -1 and we want to change it into +1, so we are shifting it back to the denominator. So 4x minus 3 to the power 1, that we don't write, plus 2x and minus 1, 1 to 3 is the limit. Now applying first the 3 limit, upper limit, and then the lower limit. For that, what I'm doing is just copying it once. This is your first time, then the second time. Minus upper limit minus lower limit equals to 12. So substituting 3 and 1. So here 3 upper limit first time, second time the lower limit, that is 1. 4 times 1 plus 2 times 1. So this gives you a minus a over 4 times, 3 times is 12, 12 minus 3 is 9, plus 3 2 times is 6, plus minus is a plus, so plus a over 4 times 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, so a over 4 minus 2 equals 12. 36 minus a over 36 plus 6 minus 4 is, 6 minus 2 is 4, and taking this 4 on the other side, this becomes 12 minus 4 plus a over 4 here is left. So I solve this constant terms together. 6 minus 2 is 4, and this 4 when it goes on the other side becomes negative 4. Now 4 9 times is 36, so minus a plus 9a when I took 36 LCM. This is how we solve the fractions, and 12 minus 4 is 8. So it becomes, okay, so it will become 9a minus a would be 8a. 8a equals 8 times 36. When we cross multiply, this is what we will get. And I'm not multiplying 8 with 36. I am just cancelling 8 on both sides, or you can say dividing both sides by 8. That gives you a equals to 36. So this is your whole working, where they said find the value of the constant a, and you found it to be 36. Okay, beta, that's all about this question 3. Thank you.